2023 Ram 1500 with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?